Welcome to the Red Cable Club, an exclusive loyalty program for OnePlus users to earn rewards, get limited time deals, and win a wide variety of prizes. Members receive great benefits, such as an extended warranty on OnePlus devices, higher trade-in value for smartphones, free shipping, and Red Coins. Use them in the Red Coin store to claim prizes like cloud-based storage subscriptions, discounts on major food delivery platforms, exclusive website products, and much more. Go into your OnePlus device settings or download OnePlus Store app and follow the prompts to easily sign up. Earn, redeem, and save with the Red Cable Club.